nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Stars like our sun began as giant gas clouds. Gravity collapses these clouds, shrinking them smaller and smaller and making them hotter and hotter. Some gas clouds will stop collapsing and settle as a giant glowing mass. But others, like one that form our sun, are so large that they trigger a process called thermonuclear fusion and combine or fuse and release energy. The energy from all these little collisions pushes against the gravity, preventing the clouds from collapsing further, and provides enough energy to let the sun shine.
Other stars, the sun is made of gases, mostly hydrogen, with a little helium, and only traces of other elements. These gases are held together by the sun's gravity, which creates such intense heat and pressure that it causes nuclear fusion, a process in which hydrogen atoms fuse to create helium at its core. The sun's core is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit or 15 million degrees Celsius. By the time heat from the sun's core reaches its surface, temperatures have dropped considerably. The surface of the sun is only about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 5,500 degrees Celsius. Unlike the Earth, the sun does not have a solid surface. You may be surprised to learn that the sun's gassy surface is not calm and quiet. Instead, the sun is constantly moving and changing, with sunspots, or dark patches of cooler temperatures, and solar flares, or eruptions of high-energy radiation, frequently marking its surface.
Hey Knights, this is my friend Caitlin, and she is the first to complete our November challenge. She read a nonfiction book about bush vipers, took a reading counts test and passed it. If it's not a reading counts test, that's okay. You can come see me and we'll work on a different idea. Caitlin, can you share one fact you learned about bush vipers?
One fact is that their scales can be green, orange, or blue.
Wow, blue? That is crazy. Thanks, Caitlin. Thanks for sharing with us for November.
It's time for Civics in a Minute.
A is for America, B is for the Boston Tea Party, C is for the Continental Congress, and D is for delegates.
5 representatives or delegates from the colonies met for 7 weeks. Most delegates wanted peace. Some wanted war to protect their liberties. Congress sent a letter to King George asking that Americans would be given the same rights as those in England.
Every student has the potential to improve. Potential means having the ability to grow, develop, or improve.
What does the binder checks help you with? It helps me stay on track in class.
It helps me stay organized in the future.
How does being organized help you in the long run?
It helps me not be messy.
It helps me stay organized when I go to college.
What do you like about the binder checks?
I like how the 6th graders are nice to me.
I like my avid school mentor.